Welcome to dashcamtv. Thanks for checking out the channel. We really appreciate the support. Today we're going to be just heading into Belleville. I have to pick up some wood pellets. It's nearly 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet today, so probably a trip through the McDonald's drive-thru. Earlier today I was on the 401 and at the Wallbridge Loyalist exit there was a tractor trailer completely overturned in the ditch. Unfortunately, I didn't have Louise with me to film with this camera, and I didn't have the dash cam running either, so I didn't get any footage of that. I might head up there to see if they've got that cleaned up. That was about 3 to 4 hours ago, and they had 2 rotators on the scene at the time, so I'm kind of guessing they have it cleaned up by now, but we might take a swing by there just to check it out. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Why wouldn't you subscribe? It's absolutely free. And like and comment. More train footage here on Dashcam TV. This is the CN Canadian National triple tracks. I'm turning left onto, yeah, I think you can see the flasher there clicking. Turning left onto Mitchell. This is at the intersection of Mitchell and Airport Parkway. And obviously I have to wait for the train before I can make that left-hand turn. So kind of a long lineup here at the McDonald's drive-thru. So I might be here a few minutes longer than anticipated. I guess nobody else has eaten yet today either. Okay, so the line is moving relatively quickly. Shouldn't be too much longer. It is nice to have these double lanes. They do seem to get the orders processed quicker.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi, thanks. May I please have 3 McDoubles and a medium Diet Coke?
Sorry, 3 McDoubles and a medium Diet Coke?
Yes, please.
Anything else for you?
No, that's everything, thank you.
Do you need any ketchup in the bag?
No, that's fine.
Alright, $11.93 is the first one though.
Okay, thank you. So I'm paying with cash today. You can name these 2 Canadian Prime Ministers. Comment below. Perfect, thank you. So I've got some food into my belly. Whistler's happy because he got a couple nibbles from my McDoubles. Got the other errands run that I had to do, so let's drive up to Wallbridge Loyalist and see if they've got that accident cleaned up. I don't know what happened there. Obviously, I hope the driver was okay. And since I don't have Louise here to film, I can't really be driving and filming at the same time. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do this once I get up there. I guess we'll find out. Thanks for watching Dashcam TV. You know we appreciate the support. Hey Whistler, say hi. No? Like, comment, and subscribe. Here we are on the scene. It's 3 p.m. When I drove by here earlier, it was about 10 a.m., a good 5 hours ago. And as you can see, they're still trying to lift that trailer out of the ditch. We really hope the driver is okay. I'm guessing he came around that corner too fast and just rolled. That definitely looks like the tractor. You probably can see that it's a little dinged up. There is a OPP sitting over here as well. So the westbound on-ramp is still open, as you're about to see a car go by here getting onto the 401. But obviously the off-ramp coming off of the 401 has been closed since whatever time this happened. I did kind of sneak into a parking lot. The front gate was closed and I found a back gate, so I'm just waiting for somebody to come and tell me I'm not allowed to be here. Those orange bags look like airbags or something, perhaps. I think I can zoom in a little more. Probably gonna get kind of shaky when I'm zoomed in this far. Huge respect to all these guys out here. All these workers, guys and girls, giving up their Saturday to deal with something like this. We'll see if we can, now that we're zoomed in more. It was the yellow tractor that's quite dinged up. Not sure, the far tire, is it up on a, or both front tires up on blocks? So to all my friends out there that are truckers, you guys stay safe. I'm sure you guys see this kind of stuff on the road all the time, and we don't want it to happen to any of you. You also have to wonder how heavily loaded that trailer is. Maybe causing difficulties too if it's maxed out on its weight. You would almost think an empty trailer they would just be able to flip right up. So still being here 5 hours later makes me think there's probably a full load in there. Thanks for watching Dashcam TV. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna head out of this parking lot, and I don't want that back gate to get closed and me get locked in here till Monday morning.